You used to call me all night. You used to. Yeah.
Living in between the rivers, tigers and the Euphrates. Living by the rivers, tigers and the Euphrates. Come around and make the bus. Follow them or you'll get shot. Holy crap, it's really hot. Irrigating all our crops. Ever since we built the city, you cheating on yourself for other stuff now. Everybody knows running's important now. Mathematics was used to build towns. Ever since we built the city, you started having more time for your trains now. Started to make jewelry and bricks and more. Sheep and goats were used for things like meat and wool.